Hi, everyone. Welcome back to a new video of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Google Pay application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Google Pay application on your Android device, firstly, open your Play Store. On the search box, type in Google Pay and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button and download the application. If the application isn't available on Google Pay in your region, open your APK app or application. On the search box, type in Google Pay and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Install option at the bottom of the page. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, tap on the Install button to start the installation process. After the installation process is completed, click on the Open button to launch the application. Open the application, and that is how you will be able to download your Google Pay application on your Android device quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.